Mimi kwa majina yangu naitwa Joseline, natoka Kakuma 3, Zone 3, Block 6. Cha kwanza acha nishukuru kwa msaada wenu, mmeweza kutusaidia. Tumeshukuru sana, tena sana, kwa maana mmetutoa mahali tulikuwa tumekwamia. Tuko watu ambao hatujiwezi na tuna watoto pia tunalea, hata na wengine tunazaa, lakini uwezo hatuna. Na tumeshukuru kwa maana nyumba zetu zilibomoka. Wakati sasa tulibomolewa na nyumba na mvua njoo ilitubomolea manyumba zetu. Ikaonekana kwamba muweze kutusaidia angalau kidogo.
Kitu ya kwanza, mimi ni mlemavu. Niko na watoto yatima, sina kazi, sina mtu anayenisaidia. Watoto wakihitaji shule, sina uwezo wa kuwasaidia. Ni ile kilo moja mchele nipate ration niuze, nitafute kitabu moja. Mara tunalala njaa, mara tunaamka njaa. Ni hivi unavyotuona, hata sabuni ya kufulia nguo hatuna. Tunateseka, lakini tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa hii shirika amejitolea kutusaidia. Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki sana. Pia tungependa tusaidie na chakula kama itawezekana.
I'm Sam Kimeli, Executive Director APaD. Today we're in Kakuma to distribute some non-food items. We were actually targeting 32 households today. A remainder of the households which we had targeted earlier last month. And today's items included buckets, jerry cans, 2-liter jerry cans, 100-liter jerry cans, sleeping mats, blankets, and hygiene items, for example, soap, bar soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, as well as mosquito nets. We're indeed very grateful to DRC. We are grateful to CEDA for the support, and we hope that the items today are going to make a difference in the lives of the beneficiaries. In addition to the emergency intervention today, we are also undertaking other interventions, for example, repair of boreholes in different sectors within Kakuma, or rather Turkana West and Lokchogyo, targeting both the host and the refugee communities.
My name is Patrick Wekesa. I'm the Child Protection Team Leader working with the Danish Refugee Council based in Kakuma. Today is a big day for us. We've been supporting families that were affected by flood. The floods that happened sometimes back early this year affected a number of families. Majority of child-led households families were affected. In total, we had 55 families so far that have been supported in Qatas of APaD. We are very grateful for the partnership and support that we've received. The support means a lot that the affected displaced families now can bounce back to normalcy and they can have items. Due to hard economic times, these families are not able to buy these items. So the support comes in handy, ensuring that they're able to get these items. A majority of the child-led households lack support, so hence the importance of the items. I'm very grateful to the APaD, and we look forward to more engagement and partnership because this means a lot to us.